What's happening, y'all? Back at it. I'm back in the inside. Put the amp board back in to see how my configure. I'm running on my power cable and my grounds. But what I'm gonna do is that's my 4-channel. This is my mono amp and my crossover is back there. So what I'm gonna do is that off the 4-channel, I'm gonna run 4 gauge to positive on this extra battery I got. Then I got another distribution block. That's gonna be for my grounds. I'm gonna ground that to the top, probably to the struts and over there. They're metal. Then I'm gonna do the same for the negative post off the battery. Give it a separate ground. Then also on here, this amp, my bass amp, the High Finance 3000 watt. It doesn't come with a internal fuse, so you have to run an external fuse. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run this power cable I got right here, run that to this fuse block I got, and then run that to the positive of the battery. And also I'm gonna run the positive from my front battery to the terminal of this also. So, and then there go my RCAs, my remote bar I already ran, and I got it hidden behind the cover there, and that's what the cable I'm gonna use. But I'll probably do this tomorrow, and it's getting close to the end of me being done with this car, and finally get it out of here. I've been wanting to do this for a while since I had this car. I think I had this car since 2014, and I had bought this car. And then there go my 6x9s. Like I said, this is my work car, man. It's ain't nothing too big, man. Just one little bass up in here, man. So just the back view of it, my amps and stuff. And then I got some of these, like, I call that metal. Kind of make them into brackets, however you want to make it into. They got holes in them to mount screws into them. And I'm gonna put this on top of that, up top of my battery, and I'm gonna just bolt it down to the amp board so it doesn't move. But other than that, like I said, it's been down, so I'm almost being done. And then the other thing I had to do was I had to order, because I already got all my 0 gauge going to my battery. I already changed it, all my battery cables. So what I'm gonna do, I just ordered these terminals for the top post. So then I'll be able to connect, instead of putting another gauge wire here, I'll be able just to put it right here. But I gotta just, like I said, I was ordering, so I gotta wait. But yeah, man, this car, I'm almost done with it. There go the dash and everything up there. So it's almost done. I said I hit y'all with another video. Oh no, before I forget, man, these are I just got done redoing soldering the speaker leads also of my tweeters. Of these tweeters, I had already did the 6.5. So like I said, man, I'm almost done. As far as tomorrow, I'll get back up in here and start making all this wire for the trunk. Like I said, I gotta wait for that to come in. And yeah, man, I hit y'all on another video. Holla at you.